Gloria Estefan is using her music to spread an important message about the coronavirus. First on CBS This Morning, she'll tell us how her lyrics ended up flashing on the Miami skyline. You're watching CBS This Morning.
Seven-time Grammy Award winner, that's Gloria Estefan, is using her music to spread an urgent message about staying home.
Put on your mask when you go out in public. Put on your mask. Help save the world from COVID. Put on.
Very nice. The singer-songwriter rewrote the lyrics of her 1989 hit, you know it, Get On Your Feet. Now she's saying Get On Your Mask. I like it. Gloria Estefan's new lyrics light up the Miami skyline every night at 10 o'clock when the city's curfew starts. They're displayed on the Paramount Miami Worldcenter. And first on CBS This Morning, Gloria Estefan joins us from her lovely home in Miami Beach. There she is. Hello, lovely Gloria Estefan. Good to see you.
It's good to see you too, in a way, Gail. It really is a pleasure for me to be with you, and thank you so much for all that you guys are doing to keep us all informed.
Yeah, we wouldn't want to be any other place, I promise you that. But this is the thing, normally we go to the doctors for help, but this time a doctor came to you for help. What did he or she say to you?
It's Dr. Eileen Marty, who has been my friend since we're 14. We went to high school together. And she was very frustrated that the message was not getting out, that we all, anytime we're in public or in a grocery store or any of the places that are essential, that are the places we're allowed to go, that we protect the world from us. Because since we don't know who's spreading it, even asymptomatic people may be, that it would just be far safer if we all wore a mask. She said, Glo, do it in your funny way, something that's going to stay with people, because she knows I've done parodies of my songs, for forever. And then after that, another friend sent me these masks that she was making that were really, fashionable and beautiful. And I go, this is the universe telling me I've got to step in and do something. So that day I wrote a parody to Get On Your Feet, because I figured when people hear this song, they're still going to get the empowerment message that was behind it, and subconsciously they'll get the positivity, but at the same time remind them to put on a mask whenever they're in public.
And not for nothing, Gloria, it's catchy too. But you've seen the numbers. You know that the communities of color are being greatly affected by this disease. It's been devastating to the Black and Hispanic community. I would imagine that's also another message you want to hit, to get people to pay attention. This is serious stuff.
It is very serious. And you know who's listening the best? Our children. My grandson was right on it. He understands, and I've seen him mature so much through this entire process, because they're facing something that is unprecedented and scary. If it's scary for us, imagine our own children. So I wanted to do something that was kid-friendly, that was going to stick with them, and that's why, since there were different images on the mask, I used those to kind of bring different characters to life. And one of my first songs was called Dr. Beat. I have the doctor coat because I'm kind of, the family doctor, everybody calls me. And humor, has helped me through the toughest times in my life. So I wanted to share some of that with people through this song.
Gloria, one of your restaurants, Gloria, is delivering free meals to healthcare workers down there. How did you make that happen, and what exactly are they doing?
Well, we tried for a while to do the takeout. We wanted to keep as many employees as possible. And as a matter of fact, our servers and bartenders, there was a national chain of pharmacies that had bought a Spanish pharmacy chain that were looking for employees, and they knew that our people had background checks and were already vetted, and they thought it was a great changeover to bring them on. But we wanted to keep, our chefs and our people ready to jump in whenever this crisis is over. In the meantime, we thought, what can we do to help those first responders, the people that are out there really taking, a chance for all of us, that are keeping life going, that are making life easier for everybody at home. And we thought, what better way than to donate good meals for them to at least have a solid meal from us daily. We've been doing this 7 days a week. We're going to do it for 30 days, and we'll continue it if need be. We had donations from our good friends Iris and Michael Smith, Gary Nader, Art Gallery, and the Milton family, and together with them, and we donated our places and services, kitchen staff, and we're preparing meals for people that are on the front lines every day.
Gloria, we're running out of time, but I wanted to know how you and Emilio are doing. I know you're hunkered down together, your husband, of course. And what's giving you guys hope?
You know what? We're hunkered down. Emilio has two hunker down areas. The studio, which he goes to every day. It's the same core group. Everybody's healthy, and that's the only thing that matters. Haven't hugged my kids or grandson for close to 2 months now, because we were hunkered down in Miami Beach before anybody else. But we can't complain. You know, we're keeping positive. Yesterday, my son actually inspired me with a conversation we were having to write a song, so I've written that. I'm going to be reading from my Noel books and putting stuff out for my fans on social media. Try to stay connected.
Yes, and everybody's getting more creative. Gloria Estefan, it's good to see you. Please stay safe. That'll do it for us. We'll see you tomorrow.